you eat kugel generally, especially like a Luxemkugel, like a sweet Luxemkugel. You make for special occasions. There's a, can I tell a story?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a story that my sister tells about, used to tell about my mom, is that my sister lives in the other end of Los Angeles, and with her husband, and she has 2 kids. And her husband, they're trying, her husband had like issues with his cholesterol. So my sister was making a kugel for Shavuos, I guess, and she called my mom up and she said, "Mom, what would you do? How would you make this kugel, low fat? How would you make it, more healthy?" And my mom said, "Lee, how often do you eat kugel?" You only eat kugel maybe once a year, so why, it won't be the same kugel. And so then my sister, said that anyway, so my sister tried to make it, more healthy, and she uses low fat this and, high fiber that. And she said it was all right, but it wasn't the kugel. So that's the story about my mom's kugel.